Okay, we're here with expert RV driver and technician Crystal Hicks, and we're going to show you the solar panels on this Tiffin motorhome. But we're also going to show you the proper way to start up your coach. It's been sitting here. We do have it plugged into a 50 amp outlet at the moment. I'll just let Crystal do her thing here and we'll tape the whole process. One thing I can show you back here is the panel voltage when she's starting it up. I was a little slow here. See, the chassis is showing an alarm at 11.4 volts, even though it's been plugged in. Turn the lights on in here. Now you can see the voltage is coming back up, but that's exactly why you don't just turn on the key and run your slide out, because your voltage will be way off. Okay, now it's fine to run the slide outs right now because our voltage is back. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and run this slide out here. Going to extend. This is the proper way now that we have voltage. These are the Schwintech slides that people like or dislike. I personally like mine. Just hold the button down and let it do its thing. Your problems are going to start if you're not concentrating on the task at hand. Hear it stop? That's it. This one here is a fast slide. It's hydraulic. See my finger. Okay. Crystal, should I operate these ones here? We moved our buttons because where the factory put them, they don't always communicate with the slides. There's button number 1. The next thing I'm gonna do is unplug my coach and see how well my solar panels react. That's gonna be part 2 of this video. So I also held that button down for an extra couple seconds after it was out. I believe I read somewhere that actuates some sort of a valve that keeps your slide from creeping back in. I've never had the creeping issue, so I can't speak directly to that anyway. Our slides have been just fine since day 1. We had them adjusted once. Okay, let go. Alrighty, Crystal, how are you doing? You got air?
Yep, air's
The
up.
beeping because the jacks are down.
That's right.
Let me show them what that looks like.
Alright, let me get out of the way.
No, you're not in the way. That's what it looks like. Just shut that off whenever you're done. I'm going to leave the coach open because our next deal is going to be how long does the solar panel survive and keep the batteries charged. Right now it's just past noon on Friday. We're going to the solar panel charger is turned on, of course. See, it's on because it's blue. But now I just turned it off because there's no blueness to it. Of course, we're going to want that on because that's what we're going to rely on to keep our refrigerator going. We got the LG fridge here. I'm here to monitor it. I do not have the Aqua Hot running, just for reference. I just want to see how the solar panels keep how long the solar panels will keep the fridge cold.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Ready for what?
I'm gonna shut this off.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, do you want me to unplug it?
Yeah, we can unplug it. I thought I had some more solar panel information, but I'll research that. Oh, here it is. Solar panel. It's, there's its settings if you want to see it. I'll read it back to you. Linkage mode, IND. Flooded, battery type. Battery size, 60 amp hour. I believe that to be correct because we have flooded lead batteries. No plans for lithium. In my mind, they're a waste of money. Charge temperature. I'm guessing you can see all that. I'm going to go ahead and clear the history because this is... Come on, clear. Okay, we're down to 0. There you go.
Do you want me to go unplug that then?
Yep, we're gonna unplug it. I'll show you the time here. Almost 1 o'clock on Friday, July 5th.
I'm shutting the master off.
Crystals, we're gonna have everything shut off. We normally have an exhaust fan running, but evidently we have the vents down at the moment, which is fine. This just has the factory installed solar panels. I'll show you what they look like if you want to see them, because I could go up the stairs. See them up front there? Three panels mounted on the roof of a 2022 Tiffin Red 37 PA. Okay, we'll be back with part 2 shortly. That'll be checking on the battery state of charge and all.